sense of smell. Olfactory receptors are in roof of nasal cavity. Olfactory receptor cells with a long cilia, known as olfactory hairs, detect chemicals. Chemicals must be dissolved in mucus of detection by chemoreceptors called olfactory receptors. Impulses are transmitted via the olfactory filaments to the olfactory nerve, cranial nerve. Smell are interpreted in the olfactory cortex.
Good day, my name is Esther Love Garcia and I will be tackling about the taste buds and the sense of taste. So, what is taste and what is taste buds? Taste, according to the Oxford Languages, it is the sensation of flavor perceived in the mouth and throat on contact with the substance, while taste buds are sensory organs that are found in your tongue and allow you to experience tastes that are sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Well, if you're wondering where the taste buds can be found, they can be found mostly on the tongue, the soft palate, the superior part of the pharynx, and the cheeks. So, how exactly do your taste buds work? See all those tiny bumps on your tongue? Those are called the papillae, which contains taste buds, which are the valid papillae, fungiform papillae, and the filiform papillae. So, where can the papillae be found? Let's see a picture.
The eye. The anatomy of the eye. Accessory structures include the extrinsic eye muscles, eyelids, conjunctiva, lacrimal apparatus. There are two surface or parts of the eye, which is the surface or the outside, and the external accessory structures of the eye. First is the surface anatomy of the eye and structures accessory. First is the site where conjunctiva merges with cornea. Palpebral feature, lateral commissure or the canthus, iris, eyelid, eyebrow, eyelid, eyelashes, pupil, lacrimal cranicle, medial commissure or the canthus, scleria are covered by conjunctiva. The external accessory structure of the eye. Eyelids meet the medial and lateral commissure or the canthus. Eyelashes. Tarsal glands produce an oily secretion that lubricates the eye. Ciliary glands are located between the eyelashes. They are one complication in the eye or the occlusal loop, which is mean has astigmatism. Image are blurry, results from light focusing as lines, not points on the retina because of the unequal curvatures of the cornea or lens. I have a trivia about the eye, or the eye and vision. So, 70% of all sensory receptors are in the eye. And lastly, each eye has over 1 million nerve fibers carrying information to our brain. So that was the eye structure.
Anatomy of the ear. Middle ear cavity or tympanic cavity. As three bones or ossicles span the cavity, which is the malleus, hummer, incus, and anvil, or stapes styrum. The function of it is to transmit and amplify vibrations from tympanic membrane to the fluids of the inner ear. Vibrations travel from the hummer to anvil to stirrup and to the oval window of the inner ear. Two types of hearing: the high-pitched sounds and the low-pitched sounds. High-pitched sounds disturbs the Short, stiff fibers of the basilar membrane. Receptor cells close to the oval window are stimulated. Low-pitched sounds disturbs the long, floppy fibers of the basilar membrane. Specific hair cells further along the cochlear are affected. The pathway of vibrations from sound waves. Number 1, auricle pinna. Number 2, external acoustic meatus or auditory canal. Number 3, tympanic membrane. Number 4, ossicles amplify the sound waves. And number 5, oval window. Number 6, basilar membrane in the spinal organ of Corti. Number 7 is the hair cells of the pectoral membrane are bent when the basilar membrane vibrates against it.
The inner ear's equilibrium receptors are also known as the system of the vestibular. There are two functioning components of the vestibular apparatus. First, the static equilibrium, and second is the dynamic equilibrium. Static equilibrium is the preservation of the correct head posture in response to changes in linear motion like walking. Static equilibrium have a sensory receptor called the maculae. Maculae is consists of hair cells called the sensory receptor and supporting cells, and the main purpose is to detect linear acceleration. The second, dynamic equilibrium, maintains the correct head position in reaction to rotational motion such as turning. Crista angularis or crista is the rotation sensing component of the inner ear's semicircular canal and have the ability to detect angular acceleration and deceleration.
Taste buds, house of receptor organs. And here are the location of taste buds. Most are in the tongue, soft palate, superior part of the pharynx, and cheeks. And taste buds are covered with projection called papillae that contains taste buds, and one of the example of it is fungi form papillae. Gustatory cells are the taste receptor possessed by gustatory hairs. Hairs are stimulated by chemical dissolved by saliva. Impulses are carried to the gustatory complex, and the example of it are facial nerve, vagus nerve, and taste buds are placed frequently by basal cell. And here are some basic taste of sensation. Sour receptor respond to H+ ions and acid. Bitter receptor respond to alkaloids. Sweet receptor respond to sugar and some amino acid.